Just picked some LOQUATs. About to eat some. But this guy still got the steam on. Anyhow, now check this out. About to open. Alright, here's the side, and there's a second one in there too. There it is. And there's a LOQUAT. Oh yeah, baby. Now I like to take this part off because it's kind of unappealing. Take it off. Let me try this. It's like sweet, and it's like tangy. It's like a nice balance. So the cool thing about this plant is literally like a little leaf popped out of nowhere, and I was like, ooh, what that be? What that plant be? And then it started growing, and I'm like, I'm just gonna keep it around and watch it, because sometimes I'd be like, what if it's a rare species and then it's growing in my garden? So I gotta keep it around and then see how it grows, you know. So I watched it, and then it started flowering and then setting fruit, and I'm like, you know, I think it's about time that I find out what that is. So I went online and did some research, and I found out that it is the Respiratory japonica. I was like, oh wow, super cool. I mean, like selling it online and stuff. And then this plant just pops out of nowhere in my garden, and I'm like, wow. I'm like, you do your thing, honey. I'm just gonna eat your fruit. So that's what happens ever since then. And I'm so happy that I have a LOQUAT growing in my garden. Guys, so good.
Alright guys, see what a klutz I am? If you ever go on a date with me, stuff gonna be falling down. Ooh. Yeah. Excuse me while I enjoy this fruit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.